This cat meows whenever his owner sneezes, loudly like he's yelling, "Bless you!" It's cute until 3 a.m. Despite the late hour, the cat seems to think it's his duty to respond to every sneeze, and his owner is left wondering how something so cute can be so annoying. As the sneezes keep coming, a bond forms between them in this chaotic nighttime ritual, turning frustration into laughter despite the hour. What started as a cute reaction turns into a comical habit, making late-night sneezes a source of unexpected joy and companionship.